It's funny. I found as my YouTube career has gone on, the videos grow in complexity. Like I used to shoot a video in 4 days, 5 days, but like there would be like 5 separate days of footage.
Yeah.
Now I'm up to 8 days of footage, and I'm like, maybe I'm halfway through the project. Maybe it's funny how the scope has kind of changed as things have gone on. Have you found that with your videos? Like,
well, considering I put out one in the last year, yeah, they're taking a long time.
It's hard, like when
every one of them seems to take longer.
When you don't, like, I don't know, there's an expression that like the work expands the amount of time allotted for it.
Yeah.
And I find that's really true. Like if you don't have a hard deadline, it's really easy to just be like, well, I'll just keep noodling on this, or I'll keep expanding the scope of it. And I don't know, it's weird working without firm deadlines sometimes.
Yeah, I don't have a deadline for this one that I'm working on, and it just keeps getting pushed off. Like just things keep coming. But like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm just telling myself this or if this is like the reality of it, but you know, we got the kids, and so like they got a lot of stuff going on with school, and we just had like Halloween and homecoming and like all this other stuff, and now we're transitioning over to Christmas time, and so we're packing up all the Halloween stuff and then putting out all the Christmas stuff, and
there is literally always something going on in your life that, like, I know what you mean, because like this whole summer it was like, well, we had a couple trips, then we had the wedding, and now same thing. It's like we're getting into the Christmas season, so we got like all these plans around that. It's like
the end of the year's gonna be here before you know it.
Honestly, the older I get, the more I'm like, God damn, time really does fly. And if you're not on it every single day, at least like chipping away a little bit, it's 2 weeks has gone by and you're like, oh, I haven't made any progress on this project.